If A is the 2 by 3 matrix with entries 3, 1/2, 5, 1, -1, and 3, and B is the 2 by 3 matrix with entries 2, -5/2, 0, 0, 2, and -3, compute the following: A plus B, A minus B, and 2A. When we want to calculate A plus B, we're looking to add these two matrices, and we can always add two matrices so long as their dimensions are the same. In this case, these are both 2 by 3 matrices, so we can add them together. And we do that by adding the corresponding entries, meaning the entries in the same location for each one. So when we add these two 2 by 3 matrices, we should end up with a resultant 2 by 3 matrix, and we can figure out each entry by adding the corresponding entries in A and B. So for the first entry, we have 3 plus 2, which gives us 5. For the second entry, 1/2 plus -5/2 is -4/2, which is the same as -2. 5 plus 0 is 5. Then in the next row, 1 plus 0 is 1, -1 plus 2 is also 1, and 3 plus -3 is 0. So the result of adding A plus B is the 2 by 3 matrix with entries 5, -2, 5, 1, 1, and 0. If we want to look at A minus B, we've got the same thing, but instead of adding the entries that correspond to each other, we subtract the entries. We're still going to end up with a 2 by 3 matrix as the result, but we'll be subtracting the entries, so the entries of our resultant matrix will be different from the last ones. We start with 3 minus 2, which gives us 1. Then 1/2 minus -5/2 is the same as 1/2 plus 5/2, which gives us 6/2, or 3. Then 5 minus 0 gives us 5. In the next row, 1 minus 0 is 1, -1 minus 2 is -3, and 3 minus -3 is the same as 3 plus 3, which is 6. So that is A minus B. For 2A, we could take A plus A. However, there's a simpler way. When we multiply a matrix by a constant, by a scalar, we call this, just by a number, then what we really need to do is multiply each of the individual entries by that number. It's almost like distributing that number to each of the entries in the matrix. So when we do that, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1/2 is 1, 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times -1 is -2, and 2 times 3 is 6. So this ends up being our final answer for 2 times A.